I've been using my RevAir hair dryer for a good 6 months now, and I love it. I like to use setting number 7 and the highest heat on myself and my family's hair. The wand is about as heavy as a standard hair dryer with a comb attachment, in my opinion. And while using it, it feels like a gentle suction and a cool flow of air on your scalp. When the hair is dry, that cool air feeling on the scalp turns into a warm airflow, which also helps me to know that that section is finished drying. I use this dryer every 7 to 10 days on my fine natural hair, and I haven't experienced any breakage or dryness, just healthy stretched hair. So, if you're looking for a gentle, non damaging, and effective way to stretch and dry your hair, I 100% recommend the RevAir.